Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is What is Hubspot. So guys, I will be discussing this in a simple form. So guys, I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So guys, HubSpot is an all-in-one tool that help business with their marketing, sales, customer support, and the website management. So it is much more easier to grow and manage the customer relationships. So guys, the core features that they have is that they have a free CRM, so you can track customer info, and you will have tools for email marketing and social media ads, and you can also do a sales tracking so you can close more deals. So guys, pretty much HubSpot lets you manage all your customer data in one place, and it helps you automate the marketing task and connect your sales and support team. So guys, the key benefits of having a HubSpot, you can share it to your teams easily, and it saves more time because it mostly have automated tasks, and you can manage everything in one platform. And guys, they also have additional tools, which is Marketing Hub for the emails and ads, and they have Sales Hub for tracking leads, and they also have Service Hub for customer support and tickets. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. Thanks for watching. See ya.